I found the cheapest and easiest way to add haptics to your racing seat, and it is a motor. These are from 3D Wrap, which is like a 3D printing company. They have these motors as well. They have everything for sim racing, so that's a very cool website and a very cool brand. And I think their gear is quite sturdy and quite nice. So what this does is you can connect this to SimHub quite easily. You do need one box that they sell, but you can add multiple of these to that one box, up to 6. So you can even expand this. I've got 4 right now, and I'm really loving this. So you can put this under your seat, on the sides of your seat, so you can have different feedbacks based on the different things that happen in the game, like wheel spin or slippage or left and right rumble from the road, so that sort of thing. But I think where they really shine is in pedal haptics. As haptics set for underneath your seat, they aren't that strong. So while they are quite cool for the price, underneath your seat they aren't that strong. But for these additional things, and like when you feel like the side of the road or the wheel slip, and on your pedals, I think they're great. They're very easy to install. So you just have like this little strip, 3M strip that you pull off, and then you can just attach these to your rig quite easily. They have different sets for pedals for the different manufacturers, so you can have a generic one, or you can have ones that exactly fit the pedals. So that's thought out of every different brand for the pedals that they have. But even attaching this to the seat, it's the easiest, way easier than attaching like bass shakers, and also a lot cheaper. So a very cool brand, 3D Wrap. So what happens if you race? Then you can add different effects in SimHub to the different settings, and when that effect happens in the game, the telemetry data sends that through SimHub through these things here. You can easily attach this through your PC with the supplied USB cable if you have that Feeling Pro set. So let me show you there what you can see. So I have one on the side right here for those side wheel effects and back effects, and one on this side, and then this is the box that you get with it, or that you need to purchase, and then you can purchase up to 6 of these and set all of the different effects. So you have 4 outs in this box, and you even have wind out in this box if you want to upgrade that as well, which is pretty cool. I'm making a separate video about that. So 3D Wrap, very easy to install. You just plug this in your PC. You don't need to install any drivers or anything, and the SimHub immediately sees this as a device that you can use. So let's show that in SimHub here. So this works on PS5 as well as on PC. So you can see I have Gran Turismo 7 here, and SimHub gets the telemetry data if you're on the same network. So that definitely works on PS5 as well. And then you can set this to the Shake It motors output, and there you have a separate one that's pre-installed with SimHub for the 3D Wrap Feeling Pro Rumble. You can just click that and then start using that, and you can immediately see that it's connected when you connect it with the USB. Then you can set all the different effects here. And with the motors output, you can select to which channels you want to output. So there are 4 channels. You can add up to 6 of these. So you can have, it even says it here, channel 1 and 2 on the first, and then channel 2 and 3 and 2 and 4. So on channel 1 and channel 3 you can add 2, and so they have the same effect that you set in SimHub, but you can extra power them. So you have 2 on your bass, for example, and they're a little bit more powerful. I do think bass shakers are a little bit better for like the road feel, that sort of thing, but for these additional effects I think they're great. So let me see what I set here. So for example, I have channel 3 and 4 right now, just those on the side. So what I set is a jump landing at the rear, that you feel that. And then they really punch up that extra power that you feel in that instant. So I do feel like they're more for like those additional effects than like a constant speed effect or constant road rumble effect. They aren't that powerful, but they are so much fun and the easiest to set up just with SimHub and that little box. And I think the least expensive way to add rumble to your sim rig. So I have that road rumble left and right. So when I hit like a pothole or like the side of the track, I feel that. Then the wheels lock on the back, I feel that. So it also gives you additional information to use in your sim racing that you feel, so make your driving better as well. And then you can also set like these wheels lock on the front, and I have two additional ones here which work really well. You can attach these also through this piece of tape and a ride here on the pedals, and they stick really well. This even has some tape, so I tape that to my rig, so that's easy to have that management on there. But I already had these bass shakers on my pedals, so I'm going to add these to my other rig, so if a friend comes over he has some additional haptics as well. So very easy. I think a little bit less of feel than bass shakers because of that rumble, but very nice nonetheless. And I think for this price and this ease of use of installing it, so this I needed to get like custom plates 3D printed from Etsy to mount these to the pedals themselves. A lot of people add bass shakers to like the pedal board, but then you miss the difference between the throttle and the brake. And if you want to do more channels than like with the 4 that you get with this one, you'd need to have like an amp with surround sound. So that's also a little bit more difficult to install and also a little bit more expensive. So I have 2 channels here with my Fosi amp, 1 bass shaker underneath my seat, and then 2 here on the pedals, which is the left and the right channel. So I even have like the same effect on both of these pedals. So it's also easier to install this with multiple effects than you would with bass shaker. So take that into consideration when you're making your choice here. But 3D Rep, great company, and I couldn't recommend them more. This is not a sponsored video, just my personal opinion installing these and trying them out. I've also had the mod here for the Logitech H shifter from 3D Rep, so I have multiple products from them, and every time great service and great product. So really recommend, and I hope this video has helped you make a choice.